So I haven't put in all the boards into the calculator yet, but I did put in this gap here, and it's come up with 3 potential combinations. The first one is house end deck 8, decking board 8. These are the house end boards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That one, which is 1873 mils according to the calculator, and also that one goes with 50 boards number 3. So these are the boards that go over this 50 gap, and I think this is why it's potentially wrong, the wrong board, but 50 boards 3 would be this one, which I'm reasonably sure is in the right place now, but I'm going to try it anyway. I haven't put any of these boards into the calculator yet, all those short ones, or a few others that are over here, but and I haven't put any of the gaps in, but let's give that a go and see if it fits. So I plugged all my boards into the calculator, and I've referenced them all as well. There they are. There are 69 boards that are not currently fitted, and there are 24 gaps to fill. Now 69 times 60 times 59 times 58 gives me 20.7 million combinations of board for these 24 gaps. So there is no way that I'm gonna sit there forever and try and fit all these gaps. I ran the calculator and it actually took 36 hours to run and generated 374 potential matches with a gap tolerance of 5 millimeters. You can see here there are clearly some that look like quite promising. Now what it does is the calculator will show all combinations, so you'll see, for example, board 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then board 4, 3, 2, 1, and then every combination of those. So in some cases you'll get like 16 odd combinations of boards. So this is going to be considerably less than 374,000 combinations, and I'm going to start looking for those with a tolerance of, well, I'm sure my measuring wasn't super accurate, but lower than 5. So I shall filter for my results and see how I go. Well, progress is being made. Quite a few boards have now been matched, which is very good news. This one at the end, found a candidate for that one, that's cool. The rest just need to be plugged in. A few more down the end there, which you can't see. A few little diddly ones here. 2 more here as well. Making good progress. Had to get rid of a few boards that were a bit rotten, and I will replace a few, cut a few down where the ends are a bit tatty, but generally just spacing them all out, just making sure that they're perfectly aligned and screwing them down, just 1 or 2 screws in each board at the moment. Getting there slowly. Well, finally, there it is. All of the boards are now back in place. Obviously, see if you can spot the ones I've replaced. All the boards have just had a couple of screws, as you can see there. So just to position them and make sure the spaces between each board is okay. Feels much more solid. And the next step is to strip the left-hand side of this down, because there is a board all the way along which I hope is in good condition, in which case I will move all of the stuff that's here onto this part of the decking. At some point I'm going to need to finish screwing everything down. I've used a box of screws already, so you need to get some more decking screws, and obviously it's going to need to be prepared for paint at some point, but no point doing that until I've done the bit around the side of the house and also along here. So great progress. It's taken me a day and a half just to do that though. So I would say that the calculator was helpful but not exactly fantastic. The thing that made the most benefit was measuring every single board and working out which gaps they could fill in. That helped quite a lot. Best tip would be to make sure that you record where they've come off as you take them off. Save a huge amount of time.